My lips have never looked so gorgeous and pouty. I'm in love with this, I'm in love with this. And I'm liking how to talk like. So usually I talk like this, but right now I feel like talking like this. So these are these bold, beautiful and pouty lips, and I have not done any kind of lip pouting and surgery and Botox and nothing like that. I have just applied my lip liner and my lipstick in a way that my lips look more fuller and better. So if you want to know how to achieve this beautiful Kylie Jenner lip, please keep on watching this video. It's gonna be too interesting and helpful. So without wasting time, let's get started. So to apply a perfect liquid lipstick, you should have your moisturized lip ready before you start your any kind of makeup. I hydrate my lips with Vaseline Petroleum jelly, and I have already done that. And when I apply my foundation, I usually apply it over my lips as well. But because this is a lip tutorial, I am going to apply the foundation right here in front of you. So on my beauty blender goes some foundation, and that goes on top of my lip. Now when you have this lip color, this blends with your skin. So now you can outline and make a shape of your own, but try not to make it over the top that it looks very fake. And you can always accentuate the part of your lips wherever you need with a beautiful lip liner. So to start off any kind of lipstick, I start with a nude lip liner color and Rosewood High from Essence. That is exactly like your lip color. It's not a nude color, it's like your lip color, and this makes an artificial lip in itself. So what I do is I am applying a little bit extra on the outside of my side lip, upper side lip. In the bottom, I like to line my lower lip exactly where it is, but a little bit in the center, I would like to go overboard. So this makes an artificial lip. And I am going to fill the same color a little bit inside, so it's blended well. So I would say once your artificial lip is ready, you are good to rock and roll and try to get a liner which matches your lipstick. So yeah, I am taking a brown lip liner from Lakme Absolute Forever Silk Lip Liner in the shade Espresso. And now I'm going to do the same thing what I did a little earlier, going a little light-handedly. Now what you do is just fill in the side of your lips a little bit. Once this is done, what you do is where you are ending your shades, you are just going to pop on a very dark lines to draw a line in the center of your lip, or else you skip that step. And now to this you apply your liquid lipstick. So Spice Girl from Huda Beauty is the shade which I'm going to use for my lipstick. So make sure guys that you go on top of your lip liner, or else it will look a shade different. And now taking a little bit lighter color from the same color family called Venus, I am going to go right on the center of my lip. Also for this extra effect, you put some highlighter on the Cupid's bow, which I had forgotten. And a little bit on my lower lip. And now if you want a little bit more depth, what you do is just take a small brush and any matte contouring color and place it right on the bottom of your cheek. So this gives illusion of your lip popping out, and there you have a beautiful plump lip without any kind of medical helps and any kind of lip jobs. So I present to you the Kylie Jenner Lip right in front of you without any kind of lip jobs. Come to an end to this pretty Kylie Jenner look. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section below, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. I love this lip. I hope that you like it too. If you like, do not forget to comment in the comment section below and tell me that you like it or no. Till then, I'll see you in my next one, guys. I love you all. Till then, bye.